If you've just started learning how to use n8n, building an email agent is one of the first and best workflows you can create. Why? Because it's super practical, and it uses pretty much all the nodes you need to know for building a real workflow. My name is Raz, and welcome to my first YouTube video. Here I'll walk you through creating n8n workflows in my own style. And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you don't miss the next ones. All right, this is our working space in n8n, and here's where you can build your workflows. For creating any workflow, the very first node you need is a trigger. To build our email agent, we'll use the on-chat message trigger so we can send commands to our agent as text. The next node we need is the AI agent. To add it, just hit the Tab key on your keyboard. The Nodes panel will pop up, then go to AI and select AI agent and connect it to our trigger. Here, under our AI agent node, we can see three options. Starting from the left, there's something called Chat Model. This is where we choose which AI model we want our agent to use. Click the plus button under Chat Model, then click on the OpenAI Chat Model node. To use AI models, you first need to set up your own credentials. To do that, click on Credentials and then select Create New Credential. In the Open Docs section, the full setup steps are explained, but just so everything's clear, I'll walk you through it here as well. Go to the OpenAI platform. If you already have an account, log in. If not, create a new account on OpenAI. After you're logged in, go back to the Open Docs page and click on API Keys. Click Create New Secret Key, choose any random name, then click Create Secret Key and copy the code. Now go back to n8n, paste that copied code into the API key field, and then hit Save. All right, so now our credential is ready. The next option we see under our agent is Memory. Here we'll choose Simple Memory, and we'll leave the context window length at 5, meaning the agent will remember our last 5 messages. Now we get to the main part, Tools. In this section, you can connect a huge variety of tools to your agent, things like Gmail, Google Workspace, or basically any platform supported in n8n, or any service you can connect through an API. So, click on Tool, and in the window that opens, search for Gmail. Connecting your Gmail credential is super easy. Just click Sign in with Google. In the Operation field, you can choose which actions you want to perform with Gmail, like sending emails, replying, deleting an email, or adding it to a specific label, and lots of other actions. For now, we're going to keep the operation on Send, and I'll explain the other parts in the next steps. This section is where you set who the email will be sent to, what the subject will be, and we'll keep the email type on text. You can also define the email body here, but I'm going to leave all of that up to the agent itself. Below these fields, you'll see Add Option, and there's an option called Append n8n Attribution. Click on it and turn this option off. If this option is enabled, every email you send will automatically include a line saying it was sent using n8n. By turning it off, that message won't be added to the bottom of your emails anymore. Now we click on Tool again and add all the actions we want our Gmail agent to be able to do. I've added the options I need the agent to handle, and I don't think it's necessary to explain each one separately because there's nothing really new there to go over. But there is one important thing you should know. When you tell your agent something like, reply to this person's email, the agent needs the ID of that email or some kind of information that clearly identifies which exact email you mean. That's why you need the Get Many node. This node pulls all the necessary details like the email ID, the email body content, and even the sender's name and surname. Now let's go back into the AI agent node. Here we have two sections. One is User Message. This is for defining where the bot should get the commands or information from. For now, it's already set to take it from the output of our trigger. If we scroll down, we'll see Add Option, then click on System Message. This is where we enter our prompt. You can totally get your prompt from ChatGPT, but I still want to give you a quick explanation about prompt engineering. The prompt you give the AI should have 3 parts. First, define the role of the AI. For example, you are a smart and helpful Gmail assistant. The second part is the body of the prompt, where you clearly explain what you want your AI to actually do. And finally, add a set of rules for the AI to follow. Here's an important tip. In the rules for your email agent prompt, make sure you tell the AI that before doing any action it's asked to do, it must first run the Get Many node to fetch the necessary information. All right, that's our email agent. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like the video, and if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.